jr.advocateoffice@gmail.com. 2. At maridas. Subject: cease and desist from circulation of fabricated, manipulated, and defamatory audio content. Ref. Sir, Madam. Under instructions from and on behalf of A. Raja, Member of Parliament, Nilgiri's constituency, I hereby issue this legal notice as follows. It has come to my client's attention that you, through your account on the social media platform X, have uploaded and circulated certain audio clips in two separate video parts, allegedly pertaining to A. Raja. The said content has been widely disseminated with the apparent intent of attracting public attention and generating controversy, without any regard for its authenticity or the consequences arising therefrom. jr.advocateoffice@gmail.com. 2. My client states that the impugned audio material is not a continuous or original recording but is a carefully curated and manipulated compilation, wherein portions have been selectively extracted, rearranged, and presented out of sequence so as to distort the true meaning and context of the alleged conversation. The manner in which the audio has been split into multiple parts and uploaded separately itself demonstrates a deliberate attempt to sensationalize and mislead viewer. 3. It is further submitted that the said audio bears clear indication of tampering and technological interference, and there is strong reason to believe that artificial intelligence and/or other digital tools have been employed to alter, fabricate, or superimpose statements that were never originally made. Such conduct amounts to the creation and dissemination of synthetic or deepfake content, which is inherently deceptive and intended to falsely attribute statements and intentions. 4. By isolating fragments of an alleged conversation and presenting them devoid of their surrounding context, you have knowingly created a false and misleading narrative. The omission of material portions and the strategic presentation of selected excerpts has the effect of grossly misrepresenting facts and deceiving. Chennai 600,004 Mob +91 9841123118. jr.advocateoffice@gmail.com. The public at large, thereby causing unwarranted speculation and reputational harm. 5. Your actions, viewed in their entirety, reveal a clear pattern of mala fide intent, including a calculated effort to defame, to spread misinformation, and to undermine the reputation and public standing of the individual concerned. The publication and continued circulation of such manipulated content demonstrates reckless disregard for truth, and the legal consequences of disseminating false information. 6. The aforesaid acts constitute serious violations of law, including but not limited to defamation, fabrication and circulation of false material, misuse of electronic platforms, and interference with public discourse. The creation and dissemination of manipulated audio content also raises grave concerns under applicable information technology laws and criminal statutes, particularly in relation to digital forgery and the spread of misinformation. 7. My client reserves the absolute right to initiate appropriate civil and criminal proceedings against you, including but not limited to seeking damages, injunctive. Chennai 600,004 Mob +91 9841123118. jr.advocateoffice@gmail.com. Relief and prosecution for offences arising out of the fabrication and dissemination of such content. In the circumstances, you are hereby called upon to immediately remove and take down the said videos, audio clips from your account on X and any other platform where the same has been shared, and to forthwith cease and desist from publishing, reposting, or otherwise circulating the said or any similar content in any manner whatsoever. You are further required to issue a public clarification along with an unconditional apology forthwith from receipt of this notice, and to disclose the complete source of the said audio material, including the manner in which it was obtained, processed, edited, or modified. Take notice that in the event of your failure to comply with the above demands forthwith my client shall be constrained to initiate appropriate legal proceedings, both civil and criminal, against you before the competent courts of law, at your sole risk as to costs and consequences. This notice is issued without prejudice to all other rights and remedies available to my client in law and equity. Kaving Bharathan.